Welcome to the HARTU project. HARTU aims to tackle a key challenge in today's manufacturing landscape, adapting robots to handle increasingly diverse products driven by industrial mass customization needs and e-commerce growth, something traditional robotic manipulation and ad hoc programming struggle with. HARTU will address this challenge, enhancing robotic handling systems and boosting production line flexibility through innovative gripper concepts and powerful AI learning techniques. At the core of HARTU's mission is a human-centric approach which combines cutting-edge technology and real-world demonstrations with ethical considerations. Developing technological solutions that are explainable, accessible, ethical, and trustworthy is key to ensuring smooth teaming between human and AI. Our research focuses on 5 industrial contexts, ranging from the automotive to consumer goods, hand tools, food, and logistics sectors. Let's take a closer look at them. The logistics sector deals with a challenging variety of products. HARTU's solution aims at streamlining the order preparation process and stock management by using AI-enhanced robots capable of handling diverse product characteristics. In the current food scenario, products are received directly from the field in various size boxes and bins. These items need to be sorted gently based on dimensions and then packed to meet market requirements. HARTU's technologies will enable automated sorting and packing by using new gripping concepts, increasing efficiency and ensuring product quality. In the automotive scenario, challenges encompass order preparation for part delivery, kitting, and assembly. Currently, operators manually sort, identify, and pack parts for shipment, tasks that often require non-ergonomic postures. HARTU's robotics technologies aim to enhance productivity and reduce errors. In this sector, HARTU seeks to automate the assembly of hand tools, a process that currently requires workers to demonstrate dexterity and high manual precision in each production step to achieve the final product. HARTU's technologies will facilitate fixtureless assembly and improve efficiency. Within the current consumer goods sector scenario, production lines are tailored to produce 1 to 3 variants of the same product type, which slows production. HARTU's solution will enable flexible and adaptive assembly processes, enhancing handling capabilities for mass customization production. HARTU is aiming to increase flexibility and competitiveness in manufacturing industries, while enhancing human working conditions and designing efficient, safe, and user-centric design interactions with AI robotic systems. Join HARTU on this journey as we explore the future of manufacturing,